Hello everyone. So we have created a few tools for our for Clideq, and then now we want to create a command executor tool. So we have user input tool, list generator tool. So let's create a command executor tool that the model can use to execute any command on a system. So we start with the name, command executor tool. This will be some Clideq tool. Name, command executor, description, executes the command, given the command and its parameters. It can be shell commands, scripts, or any executable. Okay, so that's our description, and then let's do inputs. Inputs. First, name of the command. Say and it's type, a string type, and let's put a description too. Let's the command to execute. Okay, and then another one is parameters. That will be parameters basically an array type, and then let's just put a description too. To pass to the command, and for each item we need for each item we actually need to give it type. So for each item this we want them to be string. Okay, so that's mostly it, and then let's put an out type. String. Okay, we'll return a string at the end, and then let's just define our forward function. We need command. This is type of string, and then parameters. There will be a list of string. Okay, and then return type will be so let's do a let's add everything and put it in a string. So this is our command. this full command will be, first we have to so let's do a string join with so since command is a string, so let's make it an array and then parameters. Okay, so this is our full command, and then get a directory. Directory, just get current directory, and what we need, yeah, so that's yeah, so let's create a prompt session. So we are using a library for it's called prompt toolkit. So let's actually import that first. So prompt toolkit, prompt is not in there, so let's just type prompt toolkit import prompt session. And from toolkit dot history, import in memory history. Okay, so that's it. Okay, given that, we can do this now. We can use the prompt. So let's create a session first. Session equal to prompt session, and in history. So just we have to provide a history there. In memory history. Okay, so create an object in there, and then just let's do a prompt text so let's do this user and host. User host to get user and host name. This is a function. Okay, so we'll be doing something like this. Okay. And then put user host and put a colon directory. That's and then let's put a $sign at the end. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so that's that, and then say modified command. So this is so we are giving user a session dot prompt, and I do not have a prompt text. And then we put default and default command to full command. Okay, and then we just do this. Okay, I have actually recorded this creating this in another video, but So if we have that command, so what we want to do is let's now do the parts modified dot split yes, split. So you get all the parts, and then command equal to parts 0 and parameters equal to parts. Yeah, it's just that if it is, I have to check if it is like less than, yeah, if it doesn't have a parameter, what happens? Okay, so I guess we have to check that one. Yeah. So and then okay, so that's basically it, and then we do this. Let's do confirmation. So we just ask user, do you want to continue? Session prompt. Yes, no, and that should do it. Dot say and then make it lower. Okay, so if yes, we do this. Let's say not equals. Yes, it's just return like this. Return command execution has been cancelled by the user. Okay, so if the user cancels that, what happened? Yeah. Okay. Okay, if that is not the case, let's say get a process, sub process. Okay, let's just import it. Sub process, okay. Sub process open. First we have to do this command plus parameters. Is that, yeah, and then this is our and then std out equal to sub process dot pipe. Okay, and sub process dot pipe. Is there anything else? And then we do text. Okay, so not that one. Okay, so that is basically it. Studio. And then yeah, just put it in there. Or line in I'll have to actually make sure this is what we want to do. Let's print it. Okay, so it doesn't print the thing, and then out dot append. Okay, so this is for std out, and then std error. Just wait. So wait for it to finish, and then because this was mostly cursor generated. I have not written this process dot. I just wanted to type it, so I just I know what this code is doing. Yeah, and then just return. Return first we just join std out, and then std error. Okay, so that's it. And then let's do one of the things. So if it is, let's put everything in a try except block. Just okay. Okay, then accept exception as so there is no std out, and then just put std command execution failed, like that. Execution failed, and then just do this. See, just put str exception. Okay, that is no. Okay, so that is it. Let's see if there is an issue with the function class itself. Okay, let's save it, and then put this in main. Okay, and it's just we can just say command executor tool. Okay, let's make it down. Okay, okay, so that's and then we just add it here. Oh, okay, so let's make it like this. Maybe make it aligned here. Okay, so that's it, and save it, and then let's try. Wait, install. Okay, so okay, accept. Okay, what is that? Let's see. So it's a try. 9. This is 9. Oh, okay, so it's a tab. No, indented like that. Okay. 178. Okay. Oh, here. Right. List, determine list. Okay. So you have to import list basically types. I'm new to this Beam stuff, so okay. Import actually import list from typing. Okay, so that's that, and then let's try. All right. So give me show the files in current directory. Okay, let's see if it can do that. Oh, this is calling list directory. Yeah, so that's because we already have that. Okay, show the content of content of file utility. Yeah, okay. Show the list of all running processes. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's a standard join text to arguments and on arguments. So something is wrong with the join here. Oh yeah. You have to do is do this and okay, so that's one. I'm thinking if there is any other. I think that's it. And let's go back again. List of all running processes. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. Default, there is a spelling mistake in here. Okay, so this is the default. And something is wrong in here, so it's in. Okay, it's just I think it's just It's not error, it's just okay. Again, list of all running processes. Okay. Okay, PSAUX, that's good. Let's run it. Yes, it's a little bit okay. Let's see. PS parameter AUX. There is no. Okay, try it again. It's running all the commands. Let's see when it works. Okay. Okay, it's just running PS. That's okay. B minus N1. Okay. Top PSAX. Okay. It's trying so many commands and everything is failing. Okay, bash minus CLS process. Okay, so it's just trying to. User bin bash is not found. Oh, cannot execute binary file. pggraph fl. Okay. Now. Okay, let's do this. Show me config file content for nginx. No, okay, okay. Use ls command and show the result. Let's see. Instead of doing that, let's just say ls command. Ls, okay. No parameters. Yes. No such directory. Okay. Command for in. Okay. Okay, so that's it. I do not want to run any more command, but it can run commands if it is. Yeah, so that's all for now.